Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing the watch and laying tools within reach. Use a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Once done, identify the back type, snap, screw down, or prisoner screws, so you pick the right opener. Insert the case opener into the notch for snap backs or unscrew counterclockwise for threaded backs, applying steady, moderate force to avoid slipping. Make sure to capture tiny screws in a tray and photograph the gasket and orientation for reassembly. This prevents leaks and preserves alignment. Once open, carefully lift the movement or dust cover with tweezers if obstructing access. You want unobstructed inspection. Clean the case back and rim with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free swab to remove old grease and debris. Next, examine the gasket. If cracked, flattened, or compressed, replace it with the correct size. Why? Integrity prevents water ingress. Then check threads or snap lips for damage. Make sure surfaces are dry and lightly lubricate rubber seals. When you reassemble by seating the gasket into its groove exactly as photographed. Alignment matters. For screw-down backs, start threads by hand to avoid cross-threading, then tighten evenly. For snap backs, press gently with a case press or palm until it clicks. Once closed, cycle the crown and pushers to confirm movement and reseal position. Finally, check for leaks by watching for fogging or using a simple water exposure test. If moisture appears, reopen, dry, and repeat gasket replacement or seek a pressure test at a service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.